everybody, it's Coach Satira. I just finished my 10-minute, 21-day fix ab workout. It was killer. And now I have a video I want to share with you.
One thing about Beachbody is we're a stubborn gang. We won't but we also don't get cheap.
Whether you look.
One thing about Beachbody is we're a stubborn gang. We won't compromise on quality, but we also don't give up easy. Other companies can choose to add artificial flavors and sweeteners, but since day one, Shakeology was formulated to give people a daily dose of dense superfoods, probiotics, digestive enzymes, rich greens, and phytonutrients, all from their whole food sources. Nothing artificial gets formulated into Shakeology, ever. People are asking for vanilla, but in test after test and years of searching, we were unable to find a vanilla that met our quality standards. But then, had a breakthrough from the R&D team. What's so exciting about this vanilla source, it's the first one we found that lives up to the standards set by the entire Shakeology formula. And we had to go all the way to Madagascar to find it. Not every plant is created equal. It's about the soil it grows in, the purity of the air and water that feed the plant, and it's also about the methods of processing so the nutrition is not stripped away by the time it gets to the end user. These indigenous Malagasy farmers meticulously hand-pollinate delicate vanilla orchids, hand-harvest the beans, and then sun-cure them to bring out the robust flavor, all while following advanced traceability methods which ensure purity, consistency, and quality. These are my kind of people. And by sourcing this particular vanilla bean, we're aiding the local Madagascar economy, supporting the livelihood of these Malagasy farmers, and helping to fund schools to educate their children. We are now proud to announce the incredible tasting vanilla Shakeology.
Whether you love chocolate, vegan chocolate, greenberry, tropical strawberry, or vanilla, you always know that your body is getting a dense dose of daily nutrition in every serving of Shakeology. Whether you drink it every morning, straight in 8 ounces of water, or blend more exotic recipes, this shake is a delicious, satisfying nutrition experience. Give yourself the greatest gift of health possible. To get Shakeology delivered to you every month in one of these 4 delicious flavors, contact your Team Beachbody coach or go to Shakeology.com. Shakeology, the healthiest meal of the day.